Hello everyone, my name is Fari.
And my name is Charlene.
Today we are going to build a brand new driverless car with VIA AI driverless learning kit. Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yay! So before we get started, Fari, do you mind explain some of the basics for our learning kit?
Alright, great. So our driverless car has main chassis, 4 wheels, we've got main board and extension board, we've got battery, and the cool thing is the camera that can detect objects.
Yeah, so in the following videos, we'll teach you how to assemble this kit and also how to set up the code as well as uploading the code into your driverless kit. So let's get started.
Yeah!
Yay! First, determine the inner and outer side of the metal chassis. Place the main motor bracket onto the metal chassis. And then locate the 5 mounting holes. Then install the 5 round head screws M3x8 in each corresponding holes. Just like this. Secure the screws. Now, attach the main motor to the main motor bracket. Secure the main motor with 2 flathead screws, and that is M3x5. Now install the 2 cup bearings inside the main motor bracket. And now install the small motor gear. Install the rear wheel shaft and tighten the small motor gear using the Hex Wrench Tool. Make sure the hole is facing up. Now install the rear wheel couplings. Make sure you screw them tightly. And now, install the large motor gear and tighten the large gear using the Hex Wrench Tool. Once again. And lastly, install the 2 rear wheels and secure each of them with screws. The screws can be found inside of the rear wheel couplings. And that's it. Great job. Now install the left and right L-shaped brackets on each side of the steering motor. Secure each with 2 screws M3x8 and nuts M3. Tighten them using the nut wrench tool again. You got this. Next, attach the rudder angle to the steering motor and secure it with a screw. Then, Adjust the center length of the short type rod to 6 mm. Attach one end of the short type rod to the rudder angle using screw M2.5 and lock nut M2.5. Install the steering motor onto the metal chassis. And lastly, locate the middle 2 holes and secure the steering motor with screws M3x8 and nuts M3. And you're done. Good job.
Hey guys, we're back again. So this is how your car should look like after our first lesson. In our first lesson, we have learned how to assemble the main motor, rear wheels, and the steering motor. And in our next lesson, we're going to learn how to install front wheels.
So great job everyone, you made a solid start. Ready for lesson 2?
Yeah,
Yay.
let's go.
Let's go.